Investing in the best wireless headphones does not just free you from boring cables, but it also makes pairing to your portable devices more convenient, offering listener to reach the best sound and unique features that aren't available on wired headphones. And in today's videos, we will take one of new wireless headphone from Sony to review. Please subscribe our channel to support us in doing the more videos, like, and hit the bell icon for notification in the next upload. Want to know what Sony has released feature or quality on this headphone? Let's diving in the videos. Sony has released WH-1000XM4 headphones with some lack of feature and got many complain about it, since 2018. That is why WH-1000XM4 is here. If you have the money and want a top-tier pair of headphones for modern life, the Sony XM4 are the way to go. The combination of high quality, Bluetooth codecs, great sound, improved noise cancelling, good battery life, and smart features like auto pause and Bluetooth multipoint makes these the best all-around option for most people. While the XM4 headphones are almost identical in looks to their predecessor, there are some new features tucked away inside. Bluetooth multipoint makes them just slightly more convenient in everyday use by letting you connect to two devices at once. It makes it easy transitioning from listening to music while working at your desk to watching a YouTube video on your phone, and back again, all without opening your Bluetooth settings. This was one of the biggest complaints with the XM3, and having it here in the Sony XM4 is definitely going to make plenty of people happy, with one big caveat. If you're going to use multipoint, both connected devices need to use the AAC Bluetooth codec. Aside from the ability to stay connected to two devices at once, there's also a few new features you can only access if you download the Sony Headphones Connect app, such as the speak-to-chat functionality. The headphones controls haven't changed much from the XM3. Both ear cups are still touch-sensitive and you control playback with a series of taps and swipes. Unfortunately, the double tap-to-pause function only actually works some of the time. Swiping to control volume and skip between songs works seamlessly, but for some reason the headphones struggle to register taps. Sometimes it's easier and quicker to simply take off the headphones and let them auto-pause. The pause functionality worked roughly 25% of the time for me. Cupping your hand over the left ear cup activates ambient mode, which is still one of my favorite features. It dramatically lowers the music and uses the microphones built into the headphones to play what's going on around you. Not a huge deal for anyone still spending most of their time at home like I am, but super useful if you need to quickly catch an announcement from the pilot or train conductor while commuting. Pairing device is easy, just tapping your phone to the back of the NFC logo on the left ear cup, and following the prompt that appears on your smartphone. If your smartphone doesn't have NFC, you'll need to pair the old-fashioned way by going into Bluetooth settings. The Sony XM4 are rocking Bluetooth 5.0, have Bluetooth multipoint, and support SBC, AAC, and Sony's own LDAC, which has the highest streaming quality possible, if you're willing to deal with a somewhat less stable connection. If you're using something that isn't compatible with any of these codecs, then it will default down to SBC, which is the most basic codec shared by all Bluetooth audio devices. Devices that don't have Bluetooth at all can always connect via the included 3.5mm audio cable too. To get the most out of the Sony XM4 headphones, you will have to download the Connect app that I mentioned earlier. While you're able to rip the headphones out of the box and use them as is, you won't be able to customize anything about them, or use some of the cooler new features unless you use the app. Once again, there are two other features unique to the app: noise cancelling optimization, and 360-degree sound. While the noise cancelling is already excellent out of the box, you can optimize it for whatever situation, or level of air pressure you're currently in via the app. You can also adjust the mix of ambient sound that's fed through the headphones to your ear, so you can hear what's going on around you. Of course, you can always cup your hand over the right ear cup to allow a full pass-through, so you can order a cardboard-tasting lunch from the friendly flight staff in economy class. In the app, there's also a way to EQ the headphones to sound how you want them to. This isn't exactly a new feature, but downloading the app is the only way to access it. When it comes to battery life, Sony claims these will get you about 30 hours of constant playback, which is the same as the previous XM3. The Sony XM4 charge via USB-C, and the quick charge feature will get you 5 hours of playtime after only 10 minutes of charging, which is fantastic if you're already late to catch the bus or train. Sound quality for the XM4 is one of those subtle things that Sony also improved over the last model. That's not to say that the XM3 headphones sounded bad, they sound great, but the older model definitely has more of a consumer-friendly bump in the low end. The flatter frequency response in the lows translates to a sound that doesn't get a huge bass boost like you'll find on some other headphones. While it isn't for everyone, most people won't have a problem here. If you do want more low-end emphasis, you can always just change the EQ preset in the app. To finish, even it a bit overcharged, but it come with premium feature. So, if you can effort and want a top-tier pair of headphones for modern life, the Sony WH-1000XM4 is the way to go. The combination of high-quality Bluetooth codecs, great sound, improved noise cancelling, good battery life, and smart features like autopause and Bluetooth multipoint makes these the best all-around option for most people. That's all for today, and thanks for watching. Subscribe, like the video and hit the bell icon to get more review in the next upload.